Romanian truck driver, 3,200 euros netos plus Italian social security to embark. For a fleet of 22 Roros and 55 Ropaxes, we're looking to select and embark directly by the ship owner around 20 truck drivers licensed DE, European or any other license, but it's very important that you are European citizen and Romanian, because the language you are going to speak on board is Italian. English is not required. So we have the basic Italian language manual, and therefore if you are a young Romanian truck driver with a license DE and you're thinking of buying your own truck or working for another company, we know the wages in Romania around 1,600, 2,000 euros and plus. But in this case, it's 3,200 euros. Perhaps also now in Romania you have a partner driver and both of you share the truck. So in that case also you could really so you could think about this opportunity, because both of you could join the ship and this would be 6,400 for both of you. This is Italian social security and the ships are trading around Europe, so it's very close to Romania. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe. Any questions you have, please put them below. You know Italian social security, how it works. After 2 years, you are employed directly by the ship owner, and this is the biggest company in Europe of Roros and Ropax ships. So if you're thinking to have a career as a truck driver, but perhaps you never thought of this opportunity, these ships are huge, 47,000 ton ships. So it's very important to have the logistics in the cargo of the ship before embarking and disembarking the Roro lorries and all the wheels that they are on board these cargo ships. So apply urgently. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Bye.